Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fry your fish. Okay, yes, how to fry your fish perfectly every time. In this video I used mullet fish. Any fish can do. Okay, yes, so without no further talking, let's just go ahead and get started. So this is the fish I'll be using, already caught, cleaned and washed. Okay, I'm using a mullet fish, but any fish can do. Okay, yes, so I'll be going ahead to season this fish. Okay, the ingredients will pop up right now. All right, so I'll be flipping this fish in order for the ingredient to get into the fish. Okay, I'll just be tossing it like so. Yes, and then also be mixing it with my hand as well, just for the ingredient to get in. Okay, and after that I'll be covering this fish with some clean film and then allowing it to marinate for 2 hours. You can marinate for 1 hour, for 30 minutes if you want, and if you're in a haste you can do it right away, but you'll be needing to increase the ingredients. Okay, yes, so after that I'll just be setting this fish aside to marinate for 2 hours. So while the fish is marinated for 2 hours, I will be setting my pan on fire, and then in that pan I'll be adding in my oil. I'm using sunflower oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. Okay, so after you've added your oil, you have to leave it to get hot. So that is number one tip. Leave your oil to heat up really hot, sizzling hot, and when that is done, you're going to be adding your fish gently into the oil. Okay, yeah, just gently adding your fish. Please, another tip is don't overcrowd your fish. You don't have to overcrowd the fish, depending on the pan you're using. Okay, don't overcrowd it. Yeah, that is one thing you have to note while frying your fish. Okay, so when you've assembled your fish into the oil, leave it to fry. Yes, that is the next tip. Don't disturb your fish, leave it to fry. Okay, I can't tell you fry it for 30 minutes, fry it for 5 minutes. No, I can't give you time. It depends on how big your pan is. Just let it fry. Okay, and then flip it when it is brown on the other side. Flip it to the other side, let it get brown. Okay, and then let the other side also fry, and when it is fried, you have your perfectly fried fish. Okay, like as it is in my video. So when it is browned on the both side, we are going to take it out from the oil. Okay, on a towel paper, let it drain. Okay, and repeat the process till all your fish is completely fried. Okay, now you have your perfectly fried fish. You can see that. Use it in whatever recipe you're doing. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, share this video if you find it helpful. Okay, yes, I use this fish for stew. Okay, the recipe is coming up. I'll be linking it again in the description box of this one you're watching now. Okay, I will be seeing you guys again in my next video. Till then, bye.